Hey everyone, so today in this video we're going to be discussing this question which has occurred on Codeforces Round 864. So the question is like basic simple metric question. Okay, so let me explain this question to you. Okay, so let's suppose the question is saying that you have given like wait a minute. So the question is saying that wait a minute. So the question is saying that you have given a matrix. Okay, like this is like kind of a matrix. Okay, and you are given like two integers n comma k, and k is like the column and n is like the row. Okay, and you are giving like the two coordinates. The one is like, let's suppose ab, and another is like cd. Okay, so the one person is standing right here in this coordinate and the another person is standing right in this coordinate. So you gotta have to like block all the paths. Okay, you gotta have to block the minimum grids so that those two persons can never reach to each other. Okay, let's suppose the person is standing right here and the next person is standing right here. So you gotta have to block the minimum grids in order to like this person can never make to each other's. Okay, so so you know that this person can only move like to the adjacent cells. Okay, so let's suppose if you block this thing, this block, okay, and this block and this block. So in order, if you block these four, if you block like these four grids, then this person can never reach like this person. Okay, so you have to determine what is the minimum grid you need to block in order to like these two persons never met each other. Okay, so the question is very simple. You just need to have a basic observation. Okay, so let's suppose I gotta make another block. Okay, so there can only be like three positions perspective to like each player. There can only be three positions and there can only be like three outcome answers of those three positions. Like let's suppose the person is standing here. Okay, so let's look at the perspective of like first player. So let's suppose the person is standing here, and let's suppose the second person is standing anywhere in the grid. Let's suppose it's standing here. Okay, so like what are the paths this person has in order to reach this person? Like he can only go through like two paths. One is this, another is this. Like these two are only the adjacent path. And let's suppose if a person let's suppose if a person is standing here. Okay, not in the corner. Okay, I'm talking about, when I'm talking about this, so I'm talking about all the corners. Like you like from every corner you can only have like two paths to reach the other person. Okay, so the first is the corner. Okay, corner, so you can only have like two paths. Okay, now let's suppose if you stand at like the border. Okay, border, but not the corner. Okay, so if you stand here, then you have like three paths. From one is this, another is this, and like the third is this path. Okay, so you have like three paths. So when you are standing on the border, you gotta have like three paths. And when you are standing, let me make like another grid. Like that grid has messed up. So let's suppose you are standing right here and you want to reach person who is standing here. Okay, so now you have like the total four paths. One, you can reach him from there, another from here, one is from here, and another is from here. So you have like four paths. Okay, when you are standing neither on the corner nor on the border. Okay, so you have like four paths. So you just need to like output the minimum paths. But now what you can see, one more edge case. Let's suppose the person, one is standing here. Okay, and another person is standing here. So if you take like these things from the perspective of this person, then you have to block like the four grid. Okay, and if you take like the perspective from this person, then you only have to block like two blocks. Okay, two grids. Okay, so you have just to take the minimum from both of the two. Okay, you just need to make a function which returns the minimum value from both of the person's perspective and just output the code, just output the like answers. So the code of the question is available in the description. Just go and check out the code.